In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily blur the background in Adobe Photoshop using a smart, adjustable method that gives you a clean, professional result in just a few steps. This is perfect if you want your subject to stand out more, create a portrait-style effect, or simply make your image look more polished without destroying the original photo. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your image in Photoshop. This can be any photo where you want to separate the subject from the background a little more clearly. Once your image is open, look over to the Layers panel. Now, right-click your image layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This step is really important because it keeps your edit non-destructive. That means the blur effect stays fully adjustable, and you can always go back and change the strength later without damaging the original image. After that, go up to the top menu bar and click Filter, then choose Neural Filters. Photoshop will open the Neural Filters panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll want to look for Depth Blur under the Photography section. Once you find it, click the toggle switch to turn it on. If you see a cloud icon next to it, just click that first so Photoshop can download the small plugin files it needs. That usually only takes a moment, and then you'll be ready to use the filter. Now Photoshop will automatically analyze your photo and detect the main foreground subject. In most cases, it will instantly apply a background blur for you. From here, you can fine-tune the effect so it looks exactly the way you want. Make sure focus subject is checked, because that helps Photoshop lock onto your main subject more accurately. If the blur looks too weak, move the blur strength slider to the right to make the background softer and more out of focus. If you want a more subtle look, move it back to the left. Next, adjust the focal range. If your background feels like it is separating too sharply from the subject, lowering this slider a bit can help blend the transition more naturally. This makes the image feel more realistic and less artificially cut out. You can also add a little haze if you want extra depth. A setting between 5 and 10 is usually enough to create a soft atmospheric feel without overdoing it. This is a great trick if you want the subject to pop while still keeping the image looking natural. Once you're happy with the blur, go to the bottom of the Neural Filters panel and find the Output drop-down menu. Select Smart Filter so the effect is applied cleanly and remains editable. Then click OK. Photoshop will process the filter and apply the background blur to your image while preserving your smart object workflow. And that's it. You've now blurred the background in Adobe Photoshop using a clean, flexible method that gives you control over the final look. This is a great technique for portraits, product shots, thumbnails, and any image where you want to draw attention to the subject. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more Photoshop tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.